A makeshift installation of ornamental lights on a wood deck railing presents several safety concerns. Firstly, there's the potential for fire hazard. If the power cord is not properly insulated or secured, it could cause electrical arcing or a short circuit, potentially leading to a fire. Secondly, there is an electrical shock risk. Exposed wires or loose connections could create an electrical hazard, posing a risk of shock or electrocution. Thirdly, physical hazards may arise. Loose wires or staples could snag clothing or cause tripping hazards. The National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA, has established codes that regulate the installation of electrical equipment in multifamily buildings. NFPA 70, the National Electrical Code, sets standards for electrical wiring, devices, and equipment to prevent electrical fires and accidents. NFPA 101, the Life Safety Code, establishes minimum safety requirements for buildings, including the proper installation of electrical systems. Specific National Electrical Code requirements may apply in this situation. Article 400.8 requires outdoor electrical equipment to be installed in a weatherproof enclosure. Article 590.4 prohibits the use of temporary wiring in permanent installations. Article 590.8 requires power cords to be properly supported and protected from damage. To address these safety concerns, it is recommended that a qualified electrician inspect and install the ornamental lights in a safe and code-compliant manner. Use weatherproof fixtures and enclosures for the electrical equipment. Replace the makeshift power cord with a permanent, properly insulated and supported cord. Remove any exposed wires or loose connections. Ensure that the installation meets all applicable code requirements.